Today, we're going to build a really simple but super handy notes app using Python. On the screen, you can already see the finished app. You can type a note, add it, and delete it whenever you don't need it anymore. It's clean, fast, and just works. Now, if you've never heard of NiceGUI before, don't worry. I've prepared a playlist with 47 videos that will take you step by step through everything you need to know. You can find the link in the description below. To use NiceGUI, we just need to install it first. You'll see the command on the screen. Once you run that, we're ready to go. Let's start with the code. First, we import NiceGUI and SQLite. NiceGUI will handle everything you see on the screen, and SQLite will store all our notes safely in a tiny database file. Then we create a function to initialize the database. This function sets up a table called notes if it doesn't exist yet, giving each note a unique ID and a text field to store the content. It's like preparing a blank notebook before we start writing. Next, we have a few helper functions. One adds a new note to the database, one retrieves all notes so we can display them, and one deletes a note when we no longer need it. These little helpers do all the boring database work so the app can just run smoothly. Now comes the fun part, the interface. We have a variable that will hold all our notes. There's a function that refreshes the notes on the screen, which is called whenever we add or delete something. It clears the container, goes through all the notes from the database, and creates a nice little card for each one. The card shows the note text and a bright red delete button, because let's be honest, deleting stuff is way more satisfying when the button is red. We also have a function to add a note. It checks that the input isn't empty, saves it to the database, clears the input field, and refreshes the notes so the new one appears immediately. Let's complete the database setup by calling the previously prepared initdb function. Then we set up the layout, a title at the top, an input box, an add button, and the container where all the notes will appear. We call the refresh function once at the start so any existing notes show up immediately. Finally, we run the app, and just like that, it's alive. Let's see it in action. I'll start the app, type in a note like buy milk, hit add, and it shows up instantly. Let's add another one. Add it, and there it is. Now let's test the delete button. Click delete, the first note disappears. Click delete again, and the second one is gone too. Everything works perfectly. And that's it. We've just built a complete notes app using Python, NiceGUI, and SQLite. It's a perfect beginner-friendly project, and you can expand it further by adding edit buttons, timestamps, or even categories. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out the full NiceGUI playlist in the description.